this is Nicole, the dietitian from Vital Choice again, and today I want to talk to you about stress. Now, stress is something, of course, that affects us all at one time or another, and it's really when it becomes chronic or all the time that our health starts to suffer. We tend to think about stress as impacting our mood or making us feel kind of down, but we forget that it also has some damaging effects on our body. Things like suppressing the immune system. It affects the gut and can really cause even symptoms of IBS. It's also very negative for the heart and the cardiovascular system. So those are things that we want to protect and not let stress get too overwhelming for us. Of course, we can't take stress away. We're all dealing with different things, but what we can do are add supplements or add nutrients that can be really supportive for the stress response. One of the products that I really like is called Gaba Soothe, and this is a formula that combines 3 amazing ingredients. It takes GABA, which is a neurotransmitter, which is a fancy name for basically a brain chemical that helps the cells talk to each other, and that helps to increase mood. It helps make you feel calmer, but it does not make you sleepy, so it's a great one during the day. It also adds theanine, which is an amino acid in green tea, which you may or may not be drinking, and that's very calming as well, helps mental focus. And then they add a 3rd ingredient called ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is also known as an adaptogen, which is really supportive for long-term stress. So you may know that you have adrenal glands, and those put out a lot of different stress hormones, one of which is cortisol. Cortisol is something that can cause a lot of those damaging effects that I mentioned before, so we want to keep that balanced. And ashwagandha is an herb that can do just that. So by combining those 3 ingredients, the GABA, the theanine, which are very fast-acting and calming, and then adding the long-term effect of the ashwagandha, makes this formula really supportive for stress. Now, of course, there are many things out there. This may or may not be right for you. We only have a couple minutes in these videos, so if you have any questions or if you're considering trying something for stress or just have more questions, stop in and see us.